How to create YouTube channel using AI. You guys asked this question multiple times in the comment section, and today I'm gonna share the most easiest and effortless channel to create on YouTube, and that is AI music channel. So how all of these things will work? Let's find out. So there are two ways to access this AI tool. First one is using the Hugging Face, and the second one is its web interface. So first of all, we're gonna try the Hugging Face, and for that, simply go to your search bar and search for Hugging Face Music Gen. Now click the first link, and now you guys will be redirected to the Hugging Face. So right now we are on the Hugging Face, and here you can see we have the space to enter a prompt, and we can also upload our own files and ask it to create the alternative music of that file. So first of all, let's try any prompt. So let's say I'm gonna type piano, calm, relaxing, and fresh notes, and now simply hit generate, and let's see what it comes up with. Because we are using the Hugging Face, so sometimes you have to wait for the long queue times, but surprisingly there is not any queue right now, and here we have our music. So let's listen this. It sounds really good, right? But the problem is this is only 15 seconds long audio. And to fix this issue, we're gonna use its web interface, and this is called Waveformer. And the interface is very simple. You just have to enter your prompt and select the length of your music and then hit generate. So let's say I'm gonna type suspenseful, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so this is the output audio, and let's listen this. And you can hear that this is actually really good. Now simply download your audio file. So the next step is generating the relevant images. And for that, I'm using Leonardo AI, and I'm using its photoreal model. So in the photoreal model, you will get some free trial of the photorealistic images. And I'm gonna type this lengthy prompt that I just asked ChatGPT and generated this for me. And let's see what it comes up with. So these are the output results. And let's say I like this one. So I'm gonna simply download this image, and now simply go to the Canva and now select templates, and here simply search for music, and here you will have multiple music templates. Now find any template that looks good to you. So let's say I'm gonna select this one, and here you can see we have multiple relevant templates. So I'm gonna select this one and simply customize this template. And here you can see each and everything is customizable here. So I'm going to simply delete this girl, and I will upload my image that we have just recently generated. Okay, so our image is uploaded, and I'm going to simply drag and drop our image here and simply replace this text with your own text. And you can even add some elements in it and just try to arrange this accordingly and find the spot where it looks fine. So let me do some adjustments to it. Okay, so now it looks fine. Well, this is just a demo. You can do multiple things with it. So I'm gonna simply download this image. Now the final step is to creating the video. And for that, I'm gonna use the CapCut. You can even do this thing inside of Canva, but I'm gonna use CapCut. Now just import your files here and just add your image and audio file to the timeline. So once it's in the timeline, simply drag your image all the way to the end. Now just go to the stickers and add few stickers in it to make it look better, and just find your favorite sticker. So I just added this musical waves in it and also this audio sign. You can even do better things than me. Now let's listen to the final audio. So this was just to give you an idea. I know this is not perfect, but now you can simply create your channel and start uploading these music videos today. So that's how you guys can create your own personal channel. And believe me, this is the most easiest and effortless channel to handle. So I hope you find this video helpful. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.